In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived an old philosopher named Elias. Elias was renowned for his wisdom and his penchant for posing thought-provoking questions to anyone who crossed his path. He believed that the pursuit of knowledge and self-discovery was the true essence of life. One day, a young traveler named Leela arrived in the village. Intrigued by Elias's reputation, Leela sought him out. She found the old philosopher sitting beneath a gnarled oak tree, gazing at the distant horizon. "Who are you, and what brings you to my humble abode?" Elias inquired. "I am Lila, a seeker of truth and meaning," she replied. "I have heard of your wisdom and hope you can guide me on my journey." Elias smiled and gestured for Lila to sit beside him. "Very well, Lila. I will share with you a tale that encapsulates the essence of our quest." He began to tell the story of two birds, one black and one white, who lived in perpetual harmony within the same tree. The black bird represented the darkness in life, the struggles, and the pain, while the white bird symbolized joy, love, and happiness. Despite their differences, the two birds found balance and shared the same branches without discord. Leela pondered the story and then asked, "But what does it mean, Elias?" Elias replied, "Life, my dear Leela, is the interplay of these two birds. We must embrace both the light and the dark, for they define our existence. We cannot have joy without sadness, love without heartbreak, or wisdom without ignorance. To truly understand the world and ourselves, we must accept this duality and find harmony within it." Lila contemplated Elias's words and realized that her quest for truth was not about escaping life's challenges, but about embracing them as integral parts of her journey. With newfound wisdom, she thanked Elias and continued her travels, carrying the story of the two birds and the philosopher's teachings with her. In that quiet village, Elias continued to sit beneath the oak tree, offering his wisdom to those who sought it, reminding them that life's beauty lay in the delicate balance between light and dark, joy and sorrow, love and loss.